Now, with calls growing louder for the recognition of athletes in team sports at the national level, the RJRGleaner Sports Foundation says it is looking at introducing a team award in the future. 4 of the 5 nominees for the National Sportswoman of the Year award are from the sport of athletics. The only team sport athlete among the nominees is Sunshine Girl Janelle Fowler, who was the top scorer at the Netball World Cup in South Africa. But with the Reggae Girls' historic run at the FIFA Women's World Cup in the summer, which saw them become the first Caribbean team to ever qualify for the knockout stage of FIFA's showpiece, questions are being asked about why none of the nation's women's footballers were nominated. The renewed calls are the reason the RJRGleaner Sports Foundation is now looking at adding an award specifically for team sports, according to Selection Committee Chairman Mike Fennell.
In a team, unless somebody like Janelle Fowler had the most goals for the tournament and the most goals for the tournament, not just for your team alone, then what do you measure it against? It's very, very difficult because you're being very subjective, and we try to remove all subjectivity from this and deal on actual results and performances.
A question was also put to Sports Foundation Chairman Gary Allen about whether the board would consider adding an award for Breakthrough Performer of the Year.
A Breakthrough Award would be different from a young, outstanding, upcoming, talented headliner. So we have a youth award. So I'm thinking whether or not a youth award, a breakthrough award, are we going to be cutting it too close in terms of distinction? Are we adding value there? Bear in mind as well that we also have an award that is for the high schoolers in the ISA set of awards, and we also have the awards by category. So we have to look at where we do not create duplications or make it too close.
In the meantime, with club competitions globally now taking on so much prestige, Fennell was asked whether the foundation should look at including performances at the club level in its selection criteria.
I think we have to be very careful with that. That is something that each association should look at. The fact that this is a national award done by the RJRGleaner group is one thing, and we also assist the associations in recognizing their male and female athletes of the year. But this does not stop each association from looking at their own peculiar and particular situation and having awards to recognize their athletes.
Track and field athletes Antonio Watson, Tajay Gale, Wayne Pinnock, Hansel Parchment and Jaheel Hyde are joined by rallycross driver Fraser McConnell as the nominees for Sportsman of the Year. There are also 5 nominations for the People's Choice Performance of the Year award. The RJRGleaner Sports Foundation National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards Gala will be held on Friday, January 19, 2024 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel.